it.
No.
What thing did you miss?
No. Hey you guys, we're here today. My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Mowgli, Nigel Jones, the Glow Father, and Uzi Walker. And I know Uzi's behind me saying some stuff, mocking my wordery. It's okay, we're just gonna let it slide today.
You can't do it like Jason Park.
You can't do it like Jason Park. We're very excited today to bring you Skids Grindplates. And you may be wondering, what are Skids Grindplates? Nigel, do you know what they are?
Skids Grindplates.
Yes.
Yes.
Skids Grindplates, thank you very much.
You're the man.
Seriously, you're the man. And now we're gonna play an amazing game of Grindplates Skate.
I'm so hyped on it, dude. This really does look like an anime. Look at the way, the details.
Why you want the one right here?
How come everyone is so like into anime? I never understood it.
Because it really
Only
just
losers
gets you
get
a
into
whole
it.
different level of hyped.
How?
That's why I'm so loud. We have been skidded. I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself in this video. All right, we have been grind plated.
I don't know how this works, Chief. Did you put these underneath? Oh, you can only go this way? That's scary.
No, not yet, not yet.
Dog, that's how like, you just gotta like.
The learning curve on these things is absolutely insane.
Oh my God, that was scary.
Hey, if you want to work up on it, it'll slowly take you down.
Do not lean back at all.
No.
What about the hump at least?
On the beginner ledge.
I hear the bump rail. Oh damn. This is kind of sketch though.
I think we're all warmed up now.
Glow, you in this? He's not happy right now.
Hey, we won.
Come last.
All right, drop in.
Unbelievable.
That was the hardest I ever seen this slam.
Oh my God.
He's over it. Really? He's over it.
I think Glow has disqualified himself from the competition.
Okay,
I don't know if this is the best or worst video we've ever made.
I mean, I landed it. Really?
How do you judge this dance?
Is that like
I think that was a redo.
Technically, that was like sketchy. He would have slipped out, so it's like a redo.
I've never seen him bend like that. So many questions.
That's painful.
Backside?
Backside? No.
I haven't even tried backside yet.
All right, I'll take an S. Just straight grind.
You know what that does? I'm stuck like this forever.
No. That's a letter right there.
Wow. This is not fair because I'm heavier. Don't slide as easy.
All right. So you're gonna steal my trick?
Yep, I am gonna steal your trick.
My turn?
turn? It's straight rubber.
Is it my turn?
All right, I'm gonna try to grind this.
How in the world
That is absolutely
did
terrifying.
you do that?
My back quitting.
I'll take a letter. I can't do backside.
It was slick up there.
All right, my trick.
Toes in the way, because I got toes. Ah! 50, 360 out.
Dang it!
I thought one of your feet were like this. I don't know, was it? I just.
It's really hard to tell.
It is hard to tell.
No way. That's the letter.
All right, most of this box. Ah, I missed it.
All right, who's your trick?
These things are
Yo, that was amazing. You see my defense on that?
Send it, Gabe. Send it, Gabe. It's so good on the rail. This is meant for the rail.
The cover, the silhouette makes sense.
This is what this is for. Oh, absolutely. Do that. All right, front nose grind. Do I get a rebate? Don't do it again. No, I didn't get into it.
Are you kidding me?
All right, if you don't fly at least most of it, it's a letter.
Are you kidding me?
Dang it! No.
Just do it.
No.
Worst thing is you miss.
No.
Oh,
God. All right. So you're saying there's a chance.
Oh! What? I'm not doing it.
you can do it.
I ain't jumping anything today.
I'm gonna do the handrail. Has to be done. If I'm about to be out, I gotta go all out.
That was amazing. Yo, one more try. Oh. Very well then. Oh. All right, last turn. Hey,
Hey, it was fun. These things are actually fun. But we just found out that they were not our size. They're for size ages 5.
You guys all played valiantly. I had a feeling that Dan was gonna win this game. He's just good at stuff like this. A huge thanks to Aaron with Skids Grindplates for sending us all these very fun, very interesting grind plates. There's some other videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys learn how to skate. Have fun. That is what it's all about.